In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all completed tasks in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp in your browser, or launch the desktop app and sign into your workspace. You'll land on your home or the last location you visited. The exact layout can vary a bit depending on your setup, but that's okay. Everything we need is available from the main navigation. Next, head to the space that contains the work you want to review. A space is a top-level area in ClickUp used to organize teams, departments, or projects. In the left sidebar, you'll see a list of your spaces. Click the one where those tasks live. If you're not sure which space to choose, think about where the project or team is organized, or use the search bar to quickly find it by name. Once you're inside the correct space, switch to the board view. Board view shows your tasks in a visual, Kanban-style layout grouped by status, which makes it perfect for scanning what's done versus what's still in progress. Look along the top or the view selector to find board, and click it. If your space doesn't immediately show board, expand the list of views, or look for a plus icon to reveal it. Board view will consolidate tasks from the lists and folders within that space, giving you a clear snapshot by status. Now, locate the column labeled Complete. This column contains all tasks that have reached the final, done status in this space. Click on Complete to focus on that column and scroll through to review everything that's finished. You can open any task from here to see details like assignees, due dates, comments, and attachments. If your workflow uses different names for done statuses, such as done or closed, they'll typically be grouped with Complete in Board View. Just make sure you're looking at the right final status column. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see any tasks in Complete, check the filters at the top of the view. Clear any filters that limit assignees, tags, or dates, and confirm that closed or done statuses are included. If your space has multiple lists, ensure the view is scoped to the entire space rather than a single list. You can also sort the Complete column by due date or last updated to surface the most recent finishes first, and expand subtasks if you track completion at that level. That's it. By opening your space, switching to Board View, and focusing on the Complete column, you can quickly see every finished task and confidently report on progress.